alloys used in jet engines are really expensive. And the idea was to come up with an...
Welcome to DriveTV. Today, buckle up as we explore 5 of the silliest, quirkiest, and most outrageous cars ever housed under Jay Leno's roof. From whimsical designs to mind-boggling engineering feats, these vehicles redefine what it means to stand out on the road. Get ready to meet the unexpected and witness automotive creativity at its finest. Let's roll into the laughter-inducing world of the 5 insanely silliest cars in Jay Leno's garage that you've probably never seen before. The 1931 Shotwell. This isn't just any ordinary car. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of American grit, and a downright head-turner that would make even Jay Leno drool. The story of the 1931 Shotwell begins with a young man named Bob Shotwell, a mere 17 years old when the dream of owning a car ignited within him. Unlike most teenagers who would pester their parents for a ride, Bob decided to take matters into his own hands. With a twinkle in his eye and a heart full of determination, he set out to build his very own car. Armed with a dream and a shoestring budget, Bob embarked on a junkyard treasure hunt, scavenging for parts that would bring his automotive vision to life. He scoured Ford Model A's, salvaged motorcycle engines, and meticulously crafted every component, transforming a pile of scrap metal into a rolling masterpiece. The heart of the 1931 Shotwell is a mighty Indian motorcycle engine, its rhythmic rumble a testament to Bob's mechanical prowess. This wasn't just a car, it was a symphony of gears, pistons, and passion. With his creation complete, Bob and his brother embarked on an epic road trip, traversing the vast landscapes of America, from the frozen expanses of Alaska to the sun-kissed shores of San Diego. Over 150,000 miles were devoured by the Shotwell's wheels, each mile a testament to its resilience and the spirit of its creator. Decades later, Jay Leno, the renowned car collector and television host, stumbled upon this automotive gem hidden away in Bob's backyard. With a keen eye for the extraordinary, Jay recognized the Shotwell's significance and brought it back to life, preserving its legacy for generations to come. In the realm of rare cars, the 1931 Shotwell stands as a crown jewel. It's not just the age or the unique story that sets it apart, it's the embodiment of human ingenuity, the spirit of innovation, and the unwavering passion of a young man who dared to dream. So, the next time you find yourself in the presence of Jay Leno's garage, cast your gaze upon the 1931 Shotwell. Let its story inspire you, its craftsmanship amaze you, and its timeless beauty transport you back to an era of automotive artistry. In the realm of rare cars, Jay Leno's Chrysler Turbine stands out as a true gem among the 180-plus vehicles that reside in his impressive collection. This 1963 car holds a special place, not only for its rarity, but also for its innovative history and futuristic design. In an era dominated by traditional V8 engines, Chrysler dared to be different. The Turbine, as it was known, sported an experimental gas turbine engine, a technology borrowed from the aerospace industry. This innovation provided a smooth and quiet driving experience, a stark contrast to the burly rumbles of muscle cars of the time. The Turbine's design was as revolutionary as its technology. The sleek and aerodynamic body, sculpted by the Italian design studio Gaia, was something never before seen on the roads. The flowing lines, the sloping rear end, and the V-opening doors exuded a futuristic air that still impresses today. While Chrysler had high hopes for the Turbine, its production was limited to just 55 units between 1963 and 1964. High production costs, fuel economy concerns, and changing consumer preferences led to the project's demise. Despite its short production run, the turbine became a symbol of Chrysler's ingenuity and innovative spirit. And what better place for such a rare and historic car than Jay Leno's garage? An avid enthusiast of all things automotive, Leno recognizes the turbine's immense value and preserves it lovingly for future generations to appreciate. The turbine's rarity goes beyond the limited number of units produced. Its innovative technology, groundbreaking design, and short lifespan place it on a pedestal of its own among collectible cars. Owning a turbine is not just about owning a rare car. It's about owning a piece of automotive history, a symbol of a time when Chrysler dared to dream about the future. Jay Leno's Chrysler turbine serves as a reminder that innovation and bold design have an important place in the automotive world. Its presence in Jay's garage ensures that its story continues to be told and appreciated by car enthusiasts for many years to come. It's a car that inspires awe, sparks the imagination, and takes us back to a time when the future seemed limitless. The 1966 Chevrolet Yenko Stinger Stage 2 stands out as a true rarity, and it holds a special place in Jay Leno's impressive collection. With its bold design, powerful engine, and limited production numbers, the Stinger 2 is a true gem among muscle cars. The Yenko Stinger Stage 2 wasn't your average Chevrolet Corvair. It was the brainchild of Don Yenko, a Chevrolet dealer who was known for his high-performance modifications. Yenko saw the potential in the Corvair's rear-mounted engine and decided to create a true muscle car out of it. The Stinger Stage 2 was powered by a modified 164 cubic inch turbocharged engine that produced a whopping 190 horsepower. This was a significant increase from the Corvair's standard 110 horsepower, and it made the Stinger 2 a true performer. Only 165 Stinger Stage 2 cars were ever produced, making them one of the rarest muscle cars of the era. Their rarity, coupled with their unique design and powerful engine, has made them highly sought-after collectibles. Jay Leno's 1966 Chevrolet Yenko Stinger Stage 2 is a prime example of this rare muscle car. It's finished in a stunning red paint job and features all of the original Stinger 2 badging and emblems. Under the hood, the car's original turbocharged engine is still in place, ready to unleash its power. The Yenko Stinger Stage 2 is more than just a rare car. It's a symbol of American muscle car history. It represents a time when American automakers were pushing the boundaries of performance and design, and it's a reminder of the golden age of muscle cars. Jay Leno's Stinger Stage 2 is a true showstopper. It's the kind of car that turns heads wherever it goes, and it's sure to put a smile on the face of any car enthusiast. It's a car that inspires and enchants, and it's a reminder of the enduring appeal of classic muscle cars. The Stinger Stage 2 was available in two other stages, Stage 1, 140 horsepower, and Stage 3, 220 horsepower. The Stinger Stage 2 was one of the first American production cars to come with a 4-speed manual transmission. The Stinger Stage 2 was featured in the 1967 movie The Green Hornet. The 1969 Lamborghini Miura stands out as a true icon, and it holds a special place in Jay Leno's impressive collection. With its revolutionary design, mid-engine layout, and powerful V12 engine, the Miura was a game-changer in the automotive world. The Lamborghini Miura was penned by Bertone, a renowned Italian design house, and it broke all the rules of automotive design at the time. Its wedge-shaped body, low stance, and pop-up headlights were unlike anything else on the road, and they made the Miura an instant sensation. The Miura was one of the first production cars to feature a mid-engine layout. This placed the engine behind the passenger compartment, which improved weight distribution and handling. The Miura's mid-engine layout was a major innovation, and it helped to set the standard for supercars for years to come. The Miura was powered by a 3.9-litre V12 engine that produced a staggering 350 horsepower. This was enough to propel the car from 0 to 60 Nm/p in just 7.5 seconds, and it made the Miura one of the fastest cars in the world at the time. Only 764 Miuras were ever produced, making them one of the rarest supercars of the era. Their rarity, coupled with their iconic design and powerful engine, has made them highly sought-after collectibles. Jay Leno's 1969 Lamborghini Miura is a prime example of this rare supercar. It's finished in a stunning orange paint job and features all of the original Miura badging and emblems. Under the hood, the car's original V12 engine is still in place, ready to unleash its power. The Lamborghini Miura is more than just a rare car. It's a symbol of automotive innovation. It represents a time when automakers were pushing the boundaries of design and performance, and it's a reminder of the golden age of supercars. Jay Leno's Miura is a true showstopper. It's the kind of car that turns heads wherever it goes, and it's sure to put a smile on the face of any car enthusiast. It's a car that inspires and enchants, and it's a reminder of the enduring appeal of classic supercars. The Miura was named after Ferruccio Lamborghini's Fighting Bull. The Miura was featured in several movies, including The Italian Job and The Cannonball Run. The Miura is considered to be one of the most influential supercars of all time. Nestled amidst the automotive treasures of Jay Leno's collection, the 1955 Mercedes Renntransporter Tribute stands out as a testament to both ingenuity and automotive passion. This meticulously crafted replica pays homage to the legendary Renntransporter, the iconic transporter used by Mercedes-Benz to haul its racing cars to victory in the 1950s and 1960s. The original Renntransporter was a marvel of engineering, designed to safely and efficiently transport Mercedes-Benz's prized racing cars across Europe. Its sturdy construction, spacious interior, and unique ramp system made it an indispensable tool for the team's success. The 1955 Mercedes Renntransporter Tribute in Jay Leno's collection is a labor of love, meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, based on a 1955 Mercedes-Benz L319 truck. The replica captures the essence of the original Renntransporter, from its distinctive two-tone paint scheme to its functional details. The replica isn't just a visual tribute, it's also a functional piece of machinery. The truck's interior features a spacious cargo area, complete with a custom-built ramp system that allows for easy loading and unloading of vehicles. The 1955 Mercedes Renntransporter Tribute is a rare and valuable addition to Jay Leno's collection. It's a reminder of a bygone era in motorsport, when passion, ingenuity, and craftsmanship reigned supreme. Beyond its rarity and historical significance, the Renntransporter Tribute serves as a symbol of automotive heritage. The 1976 Lotus Esprit holds a special place, and it's no surprise that it resides in Jay Leno's impressive collection. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and starring role in the James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me, the Esprit is a true gem among sports cars. Penned by Giorgetto Giugiaro, the 1976 Lotus Esprit's design was groundbreaking for its time. Its wedge-shaped body, low stance, and pop-up headlights were unlike anything else on the road, and they made the Esprit an instant sensation. The Esprit's design was so influential that it is still considered to be one of the most beautiful cars ever made. The 1976 Lotus Esprit was one of the first production cars to feature a mid-engine layout. This placed the engine behind the passenger compartment, which improved weight distribution and handling. The Esprit's mid-engine layout was a major innovation, and it helped to set the standard for sports cars for years to come. The 1976 Lotus Esprit was powered by a 2.0-litre or 2.8-litre inline-4 engine that produced a respectable 140-180 horsepower. While not the most powerful car on the market, the Esprit's lightweight chassis and nimble handling made it a thrilling driver's car. Only 2,500 Esprit S2S were ever produced, making them one of the rarer sports cars of the era. Their rarity, coupled with their iconic design and engaging driving experience, has made them highly sought-after collectibles. Jay Leno's 1976 Lotus Esprit is a prime example of this rare sports car. It's finished in a stunning black paint job and features all of the original Esprit badging and emblems. Under the hood, the car's original 2.0-litre engine is still in place, ready to deliver a spirited driving experience. The 1976 Lotus Esprit is more than just a rare car. It's a symbol of automotive excellence. It represents a time when automakers were pushing the boundaries of design and performance, and it's a reminder of the golden age of sports cars. Jay Leno's Esprit is a true showstopper. It's the kind of car that turns heads wherever it goes, and it's sure to put a smile on the face of any car enthusiast. It's a car that inspires and enchants, and it's a reminder of the enduring appeal of classic sports cars. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through Jay Leno's garage. If you enjoyed discovering these 5 insanely silliest cars, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive adventures, and drop us a comment below.